What's up everybody, Justin Fio back. Today is a video that I've really been looking forward to. I've kept a bunch of things very low key, but today is the day I can finally show you guys some of the goodies we have here for Black Beauty, which is my 0559 Cummins. And for any of you guys that have been watching the channel for a little bit now, I've been building this truck for the past couple years, and this is really a huge milestone for me. A bunch of you guys are messaging me when certain upgrades coming, and I've been so hyped to show you guys what's coming. I was just waiting for all these packages to come in, and within the next couple weeks or so, the truck's gonna be getting put together, and this is a big moment. So thank you for all you guys that have been here to support me. Big thank you to all you guys that have been subscribed to the channel and follow me along my journey. Black Beauty's already came a long way from when I first got it. Bone stock grandpa truck to making a little over 500 horsepower. And all of this is just gonna be added to the fun. We're gonna get back out to the dyno, hopefully get the truck down the track for the first time. So we got a bunch of fun stuff coming. So look forward to that. And if you guys do have any guesses, I'm curious. Take a quick second. Let me know in the comments if you have any guesses on what's here to come for the truck, and leave that down below. I'm curious to see what you guys were thinking, but the moment we've been waiting for, let's get these boxes open and check out what's to come. So I'm gonna get to opening all these boxes. Obviously this is gonna take some time, but I really feel like a kid at the candy store right now. I can't wait to get all these open, but I'll give you guys an update as I open each box and show you guys what's inside. Let's get right to it. So breaking into the first package, as I'm sure you guys could probably guess from the banner, but let's open it up. So here we got our ARP 625 head studs. Can't wait to get these installed. Comes with the installation guide and everything to do with the 625 kit, but here they all are. Got the lubricant, everything you need. These things are looking mint. So hype on these. These are gonna be holding up on the truck very nicely. I knew for head studs, I wanted to go ARP. I've heard a lot of good things, even about the 2000s, but I'm always trying to overbuild, so I knew the 625s would do me nicely, especially within the power range that I would like to be in, so that was my decision on these. Very confident in their product and stoked to get them in the truck, so let's see what else we got over here. Moving on from our head studs, our next supporting mod being from Zach Hamilton, the GOAT himself. We got some Hamilton push rods, along with some Hamilton valve spring, just to show you guys a little bit what they look like. Moving on to the air, the sha-ta-ta-ta. Introducing to you guys the turbo we're going to be running on the truck here. You won't be able to really see the complete powder because we're not in direct sunlight right now. We're just in the garage. But give you guys a quick glimpse. So here she is. This is a forced inductions 467/7. 8390 with the Borg Warner housing, billet wheel. And you guys will see once this is in sunlight, this is considered a fire red with razzle dazzle clear coat, so you got a little bit of silver flake in there, but geez, does this look gorgeous. There she is. And I'm not going to open all these other parts just because we're going to be loading them up here shortly. But this is the full second gen swap kit from Slosh Fab. Jake at Slosh Fab, he does a bunch of turbo stuff, fabrication, second gen swaps, whatever you guys need. He does really badass work, and we're going to be showing you guys all this, all taken apart once we get a chance to get ready to install it. All the parts we need, all the bands, all the clamps. As you see, turbo blanket, downpipe, filter, everything's there. So he really hooks it up. This thing's gonna get ready to be installed. And for the air, there you guys go. You got the reveal. Here the good old snail is, so looking forward to it. And for our manifold, you guys know I had to go steed speed on it. We got a second gen T4 24 valve angled Steed Speed manifold. I'm not going to take it all in the box right now. It's bolted onto wood and whatnot, but there she is. And I looked at a bunch of different manifolds, but Steed Speed was always the company that really stood out to me. And all of these companies, really, I didn't want to cheap out in any sense. I've done my research on all these companies. I'm really confident in all of them. So next upgrade, any guesses? We got the air. You know we need the fuel. We're going to be opening up these injectors here from Flux Diesel. So I'd like to now introduce to you my new 100% over Flux Diesel injectors right here. Not going to take them completely out of the packages either, because we're going to be loading up in the truck as well. And I also got their 7-year warranty, which is pretty crazy. So definitely stoked on getting these in the truck. And we're going to be testing these things out, getting them on the dyno, down the track, seeing how everything works. But definitely a great product. Don and April over there got great customer service. And they do all types of injectors over there. So if you need anything done, make sure to reach out. So going along with the injectors, we're also going to be running an Exergy 12mm stroker CP3. Show you guys in here a little bit. And we're also going to be putting all new rock lights on the truck. So this is McTuning's C2 Pure White. 16 new rock lights that are pure white that look like this. So sick. I originally had 8 RGBW. Now we're going 16 pure white. And we're going to hook it up to a switch rather than the Bluetooth box. So these should be a lot brighter, and I can't wait to see what they look like. So I'll give you guys a recap with everything all laid out here. We got our forced inductions, 467.7, 8390 with a Borg Warner housing, billet wheel, 100% over Flux Diesel injectors, full 2nd gen swap kit from Fab, our Steed Speed T4 2nd gen manifold, our Exergy 12mm stroker pump, and ARP 625s, Hamilton push rods and valve springs. All this stuff is going to be getting on the truck shortly, so this is going to be a huge transformation. I'm stoked. I hope you guys are as well. We're going to start loading everything up. And if you guys would like to see everything get installed, stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you there.